Ever wondered where in the world your Lego orders are ending up? What if I told you that in just a couple of minutes you could build an interactive world map showing every country your customers come from? Let me show you exactly how I turned a bunch of BrickLink and BrickOwl orders into this. If that caught your attention and you want to make a map like this too, you totally can. You just need three things: your order data, Excel or Google Sheets, and a free customizable map. No code, no fees or subscriptions, completely free. So before we can start experiencing our geolocation, we need to gather data. If you only sell on BrickLink, you can skip the BrickOwl step. If you only sell on BrickOwl, you can skip the BrickLink step. So firstly, we will download our orders from BrickLink. Log into your BrickLink store, go to the orders page and press download at the bottom of the page. My download format is going to be CSV, but you can choose whatever fits your needs. Change the date format if needed, and if you want all your orders to download, then uncheck the box next to include only orders. Then press the download my orders button. Now we're going to download our BrickOwl orders. As said before, if you don't have a BrickOwl store, you can skip this step. Log into your BrickOwl store, go to the Orders tab and press the download button. Keep everything as is to get every order in a CSV format and press download. Now we are going to combine the order data from both stores in an Excel file. Open a new spreadsheet and get the CSV files into this spreadsheet by clicking on Data, followed by Text CSV. Next click Load Data. Do this for both files. This will create two extra tabs in your spreadsheet. Go back to your blank tab and create column headers for the data that you want to use. In this case, we will use country, city, order, platform, and date. With this done, you can start copy-pasting the data from the CSV tabs into the main sheet until it looks something like this. If you are a bit Excel savvy, you can use some formulas like VLOOKUP to gather the data, but I prefer to keep it simple for educational purposes. When done, save the file with a name and a location of your choosing. Now for the fun part. Open up your browser and go to www.mymaps.google.com and click on Create a new map button and click on Create. This gives you a blank world map. On the left side, click on Import and upload your spreadsheet from the location on which you saved it. Now choose the column headers to determine the position on the map, which are country and city, and then press continue. The next window asks for a title of your markers. For this I chose to take platform, so I get a clear difference between BrickLink and BrickOwl stores, and press finish. As you can see, by doing this a bunch of pins have been created, but we can't tell the difference between BrickLink and BrickOwl orders. So we're gonna fix that. Click on Uniform Style on the left side and in the drop-down of Group Places choose Platform. This assigns different colors to each platform, so you can instantly see which orders are from BrickLink and other orders are from BrickOwl. When you're done, click Share to send the map to your friends, or embed it on your Lego blog or even your store page, or if you choose to keep it private just for your own motivation. And there you have it. Seeing your global reach laid out on a map is seriously rewarding and motivating. It's a great way to reflect on your journey, impress your customers, or even spot new sales trends. So the next time someone asks you if your store really reaches people, don't just tell them, show them your map. That's the power of visualizing your impact. If this video helped you, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more LEGO reseller tips. Drop a comment down below if this has given you inspiration to do the same, or maybe you already have it. Great stuff. Either way, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.